wouldn't surprise me a bit.
He might have better odds here.
Oh, no, yeah. He's front and back, yeah, he's fine.
Go driver!
Driver!
Yeah, lockers are on.
You didn't put your lockers on.
Yeah, I know.
Your rear end needs to be 2 foot closer to that rock.
What?
Your
See that
rear end
rock?
needs to be that way.
Get closer to it.
The only way to clean it.
I'm telling you, if you put his lockers on.
Come forward 3 feet, straighten out and go right up it. Right there.
Right there. Straight up.
Straight back, straighten your wheels out. There you go. Oh, and a gear.
Yeah, you gotta be in gear.
Gear. Passenger, a little bit.
Straight, straight,
Yeah,
straight.
you're right.
Floor it. Floor it!
Stay in the gas.
Come on.
Woo! George is gonna be pissed.